In order to graph this equation, we're first going to need to solve it for y and identify the slope and the y-intercept. So to solve it for y, I'm going to go ahead and draw my line down the middle and circle my y term. My goal is to get that term by itself on the left side. So I've got to move anything else that's on the left side of the line. So my 2x, it's a positive 2x right now. The inverse of plus 2x is minus 2x. So I'm going to do minus 2x on both sides. And I'm going to draw my line and bring it down. My 2x's cancel. So I've got 4y equals 0 minus 2x. Now 0 minus 2x is really just negative 2x. So I've really got 4y equals negative 2x. And my y right now is being multiplied by 4. So the inverse of multiply is to divide both sides by 4. So I have y equals negative 1/2 x. So now that I've solved it, I need to identify my slope and my y-intercept. Now my slope is always the one connected to the x. So my slope equals negative 1/2. What about my y-intercept though? My y-intercept is the constant. I don't have a constant over here. So if you think back up here, you can kind of see where we were going. Our constant is 0. So my y-intercept is 0. So now that I have these two pieces of information, I can graph it. I always begin at the y-intercept. That's my beginning. So I'm going to begin by putting my point on the y-axis at 0. And then I can do my slope. My slope is really just rise over run. Now notice that we have a negative sign, so we're going to rise down. So down 1. So we're going to just take our little pointer and we're going to go down 1 and over 2, and we're going to put a dot. And we're going to go from that dot, we're going to go down 1 and over 2, and we're going to put another dot. And we'll just keep that up. Now that we've got a couple of them, we can draw our line. And that's how we graph.